Everybody kindly stand. I, Mr. Scalona, please lead our prayer. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, let's have a little stretching. All you have to do is copy my movements. Put your arms up and shake, shake, shake. Put your hands down, shake, shake, shake. So, before I take your seat, kindly pick up all the pieces of papers under your chair and arrange your chairs properly. You may now take your seat. Class Secretary, is there any absent for today, class? Very good, perfect attendance. I gave you an assignment last meeting, right? So, without any noise, kindly pass it forward. Our last topic was all about the basic parts and functions of multimeter tester. So what is the major parts of analog multimeter tester? Very good. So, and for the last question, what is the importance of using analog multimeter tester in our daily life? Yes, Mr. Chensa. Very good. So it seems that you really understand our previous topic. Let's have a short activity. So before we proceed to our topic for today, let's have an activity first. The activity is entitled Puzzle Game. I want one representative per group. I have here different pictures that already cut into pieces. All you have to do from all you have to do is to form the correct pictures, and the group who will get the correct pictures have a prize. I am clear, class. So is there any questions? So let's start the game. So okay, time's up. The group who will got correct puzzle, correct answer is group 3. So very good. So those pictures are connected with our topic for today. So our topic for today is all about road traffic signs. But before we proceed to our topic, let's read the objectives. At the end of the lesson, identify and explain the meanings of purposes of various regulatory road traffic signs. Develop in appreciation for the importance of following the road traffic signs and an understanding of how adhering of these signs contribute to safety on the roads. And last, physically demonstrate correct responses to regulatory road traffic signs. So those are the objectives, and I need your full participation and cooperation to obtain them.
Okay, good morning. Let us proceed to our discussion. I have here a driver's license card. Who among in the class have already driver's license? Have you ever experienced to drive? Yes, you, Mr. Henteroy. What have you noticed in the road while you are driving? Absolutely correct. Thank you, Mr. Henteroy. As a driver, we have a different rules and regulations, and one of these is to follow and understand the road traffic signs. Understand, class? Kindly read the first slide. You, Mr. Aklan. Regulatory signs are a type of traffic sign that provides specific instructions and regulation that must be followed by the road users. They are typically designed with specific shapes and colors to convey their meaning. Another slide. Yes, you, Mr. Kaganan. Please read and give some insights about that. Very nice answer, Mr. Kaganan. Next, yes, Mr. De Los Santos, kindly read. These signs typically indicates that vehicles are allowed to overtake or pass another vehicle from either the left or the right side. It usually means that there are no specific restriction on which side you can use to pass, and you should exercise caution and follow other traffic rules when doing so. Is that clear, class? Let's proceed. Can you read Mr. Legaspi and give what is your insights about that? Yes, simple and correct. The no entry for all types of vehicle sign is a prohibited or restrictive traffic sign. It means that no vehicles are allowed to enter the road or area where this sign is posted. It is a strict restriction, and any attempt to enter can result in a traffic violation. Is that clear, class? Who wants to read the next sign? Yes, Mr. Aguilucho. Okay, those signs are very simple meaning. The kind of vehicle that posts in that sign cannot enter in the road, as simple as that. Did you follow, class? Okay, again, what are those signs? Yes, Miss Tanawan. Okay, very good, Miss Tanawan. Remember that, class, okay? Can you read the next sign? Yes, Mr. Floyd. The no pedestrian crossing sign is a prohibited or restrictive traffic sign that indicates pedestrians are not allowed to cross the road at that particular location. Is that clear, class? Next sign, please read Mr. Scalona. This sign instructs pedestrians to either use an overpass, an elevated walkway, or a pedestrian crossing, often marked by crosswalk lines and traffic signals to safely cross the road. Kindly read another sign, Mr. Huerto. That sign is very common for us. Give some understanding about the signs. Yes, Mr. De Rojas. Yes, that's correct, Mr. De Rojas. Very good. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's proceed to another sign. Yes, Miss Tanawan, kindly read. That sign is very self-explanatory. Maximum speed restrictions. These signs display the high speed at which vehicles are allowed to travel on that particular road. End of speed restriction. This sign marks the end of a previously specified speed limit. When you pass the sign, you are no longer bound by the speed limit indicated on the earlier sign. Minimum speed restriction. Minimum speed signs indicate the lowest speed a vehicle should maintain on a specific road or section. Is that clear, class? Okay, please read Mr. Hinteroy and give some understanding about it. Yes, absolutely. Correct. Let's give Mr. Hinteroy a round of applause. No stopping anytime. This sign means that you are not allowed to stop your vehicle at this location for any reason, regardless of the time or circumstances. No loading and unloading zone. This sign indicates that you cannot load or unload goods or passengers at this specific location. Is that clear, class? Did you follow? Let's go with the next sign. Please read, Mr. Gayakan. No stopping or parking anytime within the yellow box. This sign indicates that you are not allowed to stop or park your vehicle with the marked yellow box area at any time. No parking anytime from Monday to Friday. This sign specifies that parking is not allowed during the entire week from Monday to Friday. It's a clear restriction on parking on those specific days. Drivers should find alternative parking arrangement during this time. Clear, class? Did you follow? Next sign, please read Mr. Hinteroy. A policy of the statement to secure and safeguard the Filipinos is particularly important, law as it keeps the passengers and drivers of private and public motor vehicles safe from the ruinous and extremely injurious effects on vehicular accidents. Be aware of pedestrian crossing. This sign reminds drivers to watch out for pedestrian crosswalks and be prepared to yield to pedestrians who might be crossing the road. It emphasizes the importance of pedestrian safety. Be aware of children crossing. This sign signals that drivers should be extra cautious in areas where children may be crossing the road, such as near schools or residential neighborhoods. It's a warning to reduce speed and stay alert for your pedestrians. Be aware of persons with disabilities crossing. These signs indicates that drivers should be considerate and attentive to the possibility of individuals with disabilities crossing the road. It's a reminder to be patient and provide extra time for those who may have mobility challenges.
Since you don't have questions, for our generalizations, you need to pick one pictures in front and explain it to the class. Yes, Mr. De Los Santos. Very good. This is your prize. And for the last questions, what is the importance of those signs for us? And as a driver, why we need to study about this? Yes, Miss Alaras. Very good. It seems that you really understood our topic. Do you want to have another activity class? I will group you into 4. This activity is role play. Each group will think and act real life scenarios where following or ignoring road signs that can lead to accidents or violations. Each group have 3 minutes to present the role play. Is that clear, class? Before you go to your respected group, here is the rubrics. Don't forget to get 1 sheet of paper and write your group members. And of course, the group that will get the highest grade after the presentation will receive a prize. Is that clear, class? Okay, you may now go to your respected group and at exact 1:45, we start the role play. Okay, class, it's already time's up. Go to your respected seats. The group 1 is the first presenters, and then group 2 followed by the group 3, and the last is the group 4. Okay, group 1, you may start now. Let's give group 1 a Nana Eunicia's clap. Group 2, you may start now. Okay, let's give group 2 a wow clap. Group 3, present your work. Give group 3 a happy clap. And the last is group 4. You may start now. Give group 4 a wow clap. Okay, the group that got the highest grade is group 2. Come here and get your prize. Do you have questions or clarifications about the topic? Since you don't have questions, we will have a quiz. Kindly close all your notes and get 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay, identify what are the name of these road traffic signs. Are you done, class? Okay, let us check your paper. Exchange papers. Okay, number 1. Number 1, the answer is give way sign. Number 2, no entry for all types of the vehicle. And number 3, know your U-turn. And number 4, no overtaking. And the last is number 5, be aware of children crossing. Okay, pass your papers forward. And for your assignment, illustrate the parallel circuit, label the components, and explain the illustration. Draw it in a short bond paper. Class, did you copy what was written on the board? Okay, class, kindly stand. Praise be Jesus Christ. And that's all for today, class. Goodbye.